laser tag operators. In this advanced video of Game Management 2.0, we're going to talk about a few things. Primarily, this video is going to focus on updating a tagger over the radio. As always, this is Game Management System in the lockdown menu, and we're going to go ahead and press the blue check mark to activate the password. Put in your password or the default password and press enter. Once you have done that, because I have already scanned in my taggers, I have Gunny and Rhino on, I'm going to go ahead and show you the easy way to update your taggers over the airways. We're going to go to Device Management. I'm going to select Rhino, and I need to select my update file that you would receive from me via email. With that selected, all I have to do is press upload. And on the screen, it's going to say switching to manager. The tagger will say loading manager, and it'll be flashing. Once it's done loading manager, it's going to say reboot. After saying reboot, it's going to tell you what channel it's communicating. Manager 2.0 will come up, and then the progress bar will show up. As you see, successfully sent parts 2 of 13. There are 13 parts to this packet. Some packets will be larger, some packets will be smaller. Successfully done. This is done. However, our tagger is writing the files, and then it's going to load player. And then it's going to come back on in player mode, and you have successfully updated your tagger. No taking the tagger apart, no removing the SD card, no putting new files on it, or getting one from us. All I have done is clicked a couple buttons with a fully charged tagger and Game Management System. Now, if you do not have Game Management System 2.0.70, I strongly suggest that you email Elite Lasertag Hotline at gmail.com, and we will talk to you about what we can do to get that resolved. We want everybody to have the very best experience with Elite Lasertag equipment, and we hope to hear from you soon. Once again, this is Josh with Elite Lasertag Equipment, and this is a video on how to update your taggers using Device Manager and over the airway updates. Have a great day.